people like on my door. When I go outside, I see a lot of police outside. They say, what's your name? I say, my name is Frantzy Belval. They say, yeah, we're looking for you. Go put your clothes on. And I'm scared. I go, they say, no, you don't have to be scared. Just take it easy. He said, we know all that Johnson? I said, yeah, that's my baby mama. He said, what the last time you see her? I said, I got like 3 weeks I never see her. He said, you know that 2 kids? I said, yeah, that's my kids. They said, what the last time you see the kid? I said, I see the kids Saturday and I see them Sunday. He said, boy, you don't have to be scared. The reason we come here, we're going to your baby mama house, we find your 2 kids dead. I said, what? I found him on the floor, crying. And the officer tell me, do you have anybody can stay in the house with you? Tonight, I say, I get my blood. They tell me, call your blood, because we're not gonna leave here. So if you don't have nobody, stay here with you. I got a lot of pictures from them because I miss it.